Hello everyone, I hope you had an enjoyable spring break. Just wanted to give you some updates for the coming week. Let me start off though by saying thank you to everyone in my class for completing the assignments and staying positive. I've noticed a lot of people are really making an effort with the work, and I've also noticed a lot of people are liking each other's assignments. Please keep doing that because that's a very kind thing to do, and that's another way that's helping us stay connected in these uncertain times. So to go along with that, I just wanted to add that when it comes to giving any sort of feedback to anyone, please just leave that to your teachers. So it's okay to like somebody's response or their post, but we don't have to give any other feedback besides that. Okay, so along that same line, I just wanted to touch on the directions that have been showing up in the assignments. Please make sure that you are following the directions that are given to you in the video. It's okay to listen to the videos more than one time. They're there to help you, so please use them. Okay? If you're going to complete an assignment and you're recording your voice, please make sure that you use a clear, strong speaking voice. It's really hard to hear if you're using a low voice or you're whispering when it's time for me to check over your work, or when your classmates want to hear the great work that you've done. The final reminder related to assignments is that they're always going to be due on Fridays at 3 p.m. So you have the whole week to work on everything that needs to get done for me, Mr. Shorza, your band class if you're in band, orchestra if you're in orchestra, your work for Mrs. Diggins or Mrs. Dreger. So all of those people's assignments aren't due until Friday. I forgot to mention specials as well. Okay, so I want to show you really quickly how to check for updates on Schoology, and I also want to show you the groups section of that website, because I'm not sure that everybody is aware of those two things, and those are two really important places that you can look at for notifications and updates as far as what's going on with Schoology or otherwise. So I'm gonna take this screen away and show you my Schoology screen. Okay, so I'm already logged into our classroom page, the one with the brown bear on it. I wanted to first point out that every day there's going to be a message that shows up under the word announcement. That's just going to be a greeting from me. It's probably going to be a quick good morning and just a reminder to let you know what's expected for this week. So please make sure that you read that announcement. Now, there's one other place that you can look for that information. If you go underneath the picture of the brown bear and click on updates, that's another place for you to see posts that have come from me that are recent, and also there's a collection of posts from previous times. Not just me, but also any other teacher who has access to our classroom page is able to post things on it. So as you can see, Mr. Shorza made a comment to you all at one point, and I believe Mr. Labandi did as well. So if you haven't had a chance to look at the update section of Schoology, I'm pointing to the tab right here, you can go back and check those old comments and notifications from me and other teachers so you can stay up to date. Now, the other thing that I wanted to make you aware of were the groups. So that's this tab right here. I'm going to click on that and show you what that's about. So everybody in the whole school is a part of Miss Checo's Counseling Corner. That group you can actually click on, and Miss Checo, she has her own page that you can interact with her on. She posts comments, and I believe she's posts pictures and different types of poll questions. So that's another place that you can check out for updates, information, just see what's going on with Miss Checo. And if if you've noticed, some people have responded to her comments. They've liked them or they've made their own comments in response to maybe a question that Miss Checo has asked. She's also posting a lot of videos. So that's a great place for you to visit when you have free time, because there are resources available for you to use. Okay? So that's it for that. I'm going to go back to our classroom. Now, the last thing I wanted to make you aware of was what we're doing for this week. So when you go into the classroom page, you're going to be looking for the folder that says April 13th to April 17th. Okay, there's a reminder right here saying you have the whole week to work on the assignments in this folder, and that everything is due this Friday, April 17th at 3 p.m. If you click on the link for the folder, it's going to look very similar to what you saw last week. You're going to have the Monday assignments, which are the reading assignments. You can expand that out and see everything that's available to you. The same thing goes for Tuesday. So Tuesday, it's going to be social studies, gym, math is also going to be here. And then there's something new for each of the days of the week. There is a link that says I'm finished. Now what can I do? Click here. So if you were to click that link, and I'll do that, these are all of the resources that have been available to you already. They're just all in one place, and I'm hoping that's easier for you to navigate to. So if you wanted to do iRead in your free time, or do SumDog, or do a typing game or typing practice, these are things that you can work on after you've completed your other assignments for the day. Now I'm going to go back to the homepage for our classroom. The last thing I wanted to touch on were class meetings. So I would like for as many people as possible to attend these meetings, because it's official. We're not going to go back to school the way we were doing it this school year. Class meetings are going to be an opportunity for us to connect to one another and just check in and see how people are doing. So like I was saying before, you don't have to turn your video on, but it would be really nice to just hear your voice and hear you say, hey, just for a minute. The last time we did a meeting, we actually played Roblox. So if you could just come and join us and just see what it's like, I promise it won't take a lot of your time. It's just a chance for us to be together in one space. Okay? So I'm going to end on this note. If anyone has any questions or concerns or comments, please do not hesitate to reach out to me or Mr. Shorza, because we're here to support you. All right, that's it for this video. I will talk to you later.